Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on a Dodge Charger. First, find a flat, level area and park your vehicle 25 feet away from a wall or garage door. It's important to have someone sit in the driver's seat to account for the vehicle's normal ride height. Next, measure the distance from the ground to the center of your low beam headlight and mark that exact height on the wall. Now, let's find those adjustment points. Pop open your Dodge Charger's hood. You'll see a black plastic cover near the front of the engine bay above each headlight. Look for a small hole with arrows indicating plus for up and minus for down. This is where you'll insert your tool. You'll typically need a number 6 Allen wrench or a Phillips head screwdriver for this task. With your low beam headlights on, it's time to make the adjustments. Insert your chosen tool into the adjustment hole. Turning the screw towards the plus sign will raise the headlight beam, while turning it towards the minus sign will lower it. Adjust one headlight at a time, carefully observing the beam pattern on the wall. Aim to align the top of the intense part of the beam with the tape line you marked earlier. After adjusting, step back and verify both headlight beams are correctly aligned with your wall mark. Remember, the driver's side headlight beam is often set a tiny bit lower than the passenger side to prevent blinding oncoming drivers. Double-check that your adjusted beams do not cause excessive glare. Keep in mind that most factory Dodge Charger headlights only allow for vertical adjustments, not horizontal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.